Alright, how's it going everyone today? Just giving you another E36 update. Today we're talking about everything that could possibly be going wrong with your EWS system and what you could do to fix it. This is everything that I got tips and tricks on. What the forums told me, everything on Facebook, what I've looked up, and this is everything that I can find. So, first thing I started off was a EWS delete chip. At first that wasn't doing anything for me, but I realized with the other ECUs that I had that this ECU with the EWS delete chip in it was the only one that was working for me. This wire, I only have that ground there because I didn't have the hood ground hooked up before. Another thing that people were telling me was that you can cut this wire right here. I forget the exact pin number. I could look at it. It's pin number 7. Pin number 7. That also connects the direct link to your EWS system. Also, pretty sure by now with the EWS people, you guys already know the tips and tricks with the taking out the EWS box, twisting these wires, crossing them, and then jumping these pins right here. If you jump that bypasses your starter. Another thing, yeah, this car still needs some buttoning up, but one thing that I had before hooked up, I had a switch panel hooked up, and that was not working out for me. As soon as I got the stock, shoot, I even forget this name right now. As soon as you get this one, this basically unlocked the lock for my car. And another thing, I want to just say, people that say that the crankshaft position sensor, if that is bad, that the tachometer doesn't tack, that's BS. I mean, most cars that might be true, but for this car, my tachometer wasn't tacking at all, and I got the car to fire, and now the tachometer works perfectly fine. So that could be BS, and the only reason why I'm saying that is because I went through 3 crankshaft position sensors, and as you guys know, that's not cheap. I went through 2 through FCP, and then I got 1 OE from BMW, and after testing the OE one and making sure everything was working correctly, it was working correctly, but that wasn't my issue. Another thing that I fixed on this car was adding the main ground cable to it. I just made another one. Mine looked fine, but just to be safe. And coming to the trunk area, there's this little bit of a fusible link right here. If this is blown as well, this could be an issue for you. Mine wasn't. That wasn't the case, but I'm just letting you guys know that could also be an issue for you. Another thing is I got a new main relay, and I thought I ordered the wrong one, so I ordered another one, and I put the main relay in the fuel pump relay, and I don't know what was my exact issue, but because I was doing everything all at once with all the forums and everything, but as soon as I did all this stuff, it fired on randomly one day. swapping between ECUs, if you don't see that check engine light pop on, unless you don't have one, but I mean, this is always there popped in the right ECU, this one was on there. And make sure you see that. If you pop in an ECU and you don't see that and you have an EWS